you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by some of our favorite YouTube friends. The title of this collaboration is called Crystal Clear Tablescape 2020. I have got to tell you guys that I was over the moon when I found these floral placemats. They were to die for. I was so ecstatic in the store. People were looking at me like I had lost my mind when I let out that squeal. You know the one when you found a nice little gem and it didn't cost you much? Yes, that one right there. That's what happened in the store. Anyway, let me let you guys get back to the video. You guys, I was so excited to participate in this Tablescape collaboration because I have teen boys and it's not often that we get to put out our pretty little things because they just don't care. So most of the time it's plastic here and plastic there, but this was so fun. I hope you guys will enjoy my short little video, and remember to check the description box and visit all of our fabulous YouTube friends and show them some love. And if you enjoyed my video, please like, comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. I love to do nice, cute, crafty things, and I can show you guys a lot of tricks. As always, thanks for stopping by, and have a wonderful day. Be blessed. Bye-bye.